If you're seeing a GOG HTTP error 503, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a problem with your computer. A 503 error usually means the GOG servers are temporarily unavailable because of high traffic or routine maintenance. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it, or at least get around it so you can keep accessing your games. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming tech tips. First, the simplest thing you can do is wait it out. Since a 503 error is almost always server-side, there may be nothing wrong on your end at all. GOG could be busy, the servers may be down for maintenance, or the service may just be overloaded with too many users at once. If that's the case, waiting a little while and trying again later often solves the problem automatically. While you wait, it's also a good idea to check whether the issue is happening everywhere or only on your device. If GOG is down for everyone, then the best fix is patience. But if the launcher still keeps giving you trouble after some time, move on to the next step. Next, restart the GOG client if you're using GOG Galaxy. Fully close the application first, and don't just minimize it. Then right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for any background processes related to GOG or GOG Galaxy and end them completely. This makes sure the launcher is fully shut down and not stuck in the background. Once everything is closed, reopen GOG Galaxy and try signing in again. A fresh restart can clear temporary connection issues and sometimes helps the client reconnect properly to the GOG servers. If the error was caused by a temporary glitch in the launcher, this step may be enough to fix it. If the launcher still shows the 503 error, try using the GOG website instead. Open your web browser and go directly to the official GOG portal. Log into your account there and check your library from the browser version rather than the desktop app. Sometimes the website works even when the launcher is having trouble. From the browser, you can access your game library and, if needed, download offline installers directly from GOG's official site. This is especially useful if you want to install or reinstall a game without depending on the launcher at that moment. It's a great workaround when the client is acting up, but the website is still accessible. So to recap, if you get a GOG HTTP error 503, start by waiting a bit because it is usually a server-side issue. Then restart GOG Galaxy completely through Task Manager to clear any stuck background processes. And if the launcher still fails, use the GOG website to log in and access your library or offline installers directly. If this helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming and software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.